just sit, Tammy, stay away.
Good.
Patrick,
Good.
can you eat some cake? Eat some cake.
Oh, great.
Can you eat some
cake, Patrick.
Have some cake.
Take a handful of cake.
Eat some cake.
Eat some.
That's all for Patrick.
Yeah, eat it.
Eat.
Yeah, eat.
Eat.
That's right. Eat it.
Eat.
So dainty.
Eat.
Look at Edie. She's so excited.
Eat.
Oh, Edie, you are. Good boy.
Such a dainty boy.
Here you go.
Yeah, it is. Twice, you want to take a picture? Oh, love the Cookie Monster. Oh, nice. Okay, get another present. Ah!
Patrick.
Oh, another present. Who's that one from?
Patrick, great.
From Lance.
Cookie Monster. Here. Hey, look at this Cookie Monster move. See? Look.
A doggy.
Oh, isn't he cute?
Oh, you can pull that?
Oh.
I'm a Cookie Monster. Pull it. Oh. Video, that's terrific. Oh,
Lance
that's
spent
good.
hard-earned money on that dog.
Oh, did you really, Lance? That was
Oh,
very nice of you.
Sweet Lance.
That was very, very nice of you. Patrick, love that puppy. Lance worked hard to get that for you.
Right.
Love your puppy.
Isn't he cute?
Love your puppy.
He does, Lance.
Patrick from Lance. Look at this new Patrick.
Oh,
from-
Lance, you are so sweet.
Very nice. That's your birthday.
What's more cake, Lance?
Very nice.
Take that thing off for him, honey, and put him in the Cookie Monster.
Oh. Ready for another present? Let's get another present.
Here.
Who's that from?
From Teresa.
Is that from Teresa or Grandma?
Grandma.
That's from your grandma, Patrick.
Grandma,
I
yeah.
think we've had enough.
Allie, you wouldn't sleep if you had any more cake.
If I'm full of cake, you have to be full of cake.
But you are full of something.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I forgot all about that.
Sit down.
What is it?
Mommy wants us to leave the meat together.
That's better.
Oh, is it Duplo?
Yeah.
I thought that's what they got him. Oh, so fun. That'll be fun to play with. Patrick, can you say Patrick? 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 Patrick?
Maybe he's looking at the next one now.
Can you say thanks, Grandma?
I think he understands that he's getting presents.
Yep. He's been pulling the bones off him all day.
Boy, this is better than Santa Claus.
What's this? Who's it from?
From Shelby and Jake.
Is that from Auntie Gail and Uncle Shelby?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it?
Next year we have you, Edie, to worry about.
Oh, Gail, that's great. Oh, that's great.
All right.
We used to have one of them, but the string was gone.
Boy.
Hooray!
Oh,
Where's the string? Pull the string. Why, you want to help him?
You probably have to undo it and take it out of there, don't you?
Here's the next one. That's the last one. No, open. No, look. See what? I can get that from you. That one's from Teresa, fan.
Oh, from Auntie Teresa. She's your favorite aunt.
Next to Auntie Gail.
Oh,
Yeah.
of course.
That's right.
Teresa.
here, pull. Here.
He doesn't see that. You read it? Huh?
I get excited when
Pull
she
that.
comes around.
Pull. 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 Okay.
Oh, that's great.
Can I see that?
Oh, I see. It goes to C. It points to C. I thought it was supposed to say C.
Right.
Rat, did it say? Cat. Cat? Get out. Oh, gosh.
Can I see that?
Okay, pull. Let go. Take your hand out.
Let go.
But how do I know how close I can get to this tree?
That's close. You can keep going.
I can get all the way
Do it
close?
again. Apple. Apple.
Apple.
Apple.
Good.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's not the one that, it's not the one that you just landed on. Mommy. Mommy, it's not the one that you just landed on. That's right.
Hey, why doesn't he open his last present?
Ollie.
Is it from us?
It's from Teresa.
Okay.
It's in the other room.
Did you wrap it?
Yes.
Boy, look at all this.
I thought we might do it in the other room so we can just open it up and play with it.
Oh, Patrick, this is birthday.
These Duplos will work good too with it. All right, that was nice.
Oh,
Move, Allie. Can you move over to the side just a little bit, Allie?
Scoot over what you do.
Why can't I be in it?
Well, you'd block him.
Take from opening it.
Open your present. Look, what is it?
Toy!
What is it?
Hey, who made the bear?
That's Snuffleupagus.
Or whatever.
You have to show him his
What is it? The what?
we're playing Pin the Snuffle and the Snuffleupagus. The Snuffles are up in the
Where?
wind.
I don't see it. What is it? What is it? Oh my gosh! Oh my! I'm gonna have to play with that.
Whoa! Open!
Okay, Allie.
He likes my present a lot.
Yeah, he
As much as mom's, right?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
He saw it once. He didn't know.
Lance, can you get a knife real quick?
Hi, Susan.
Allie, don't get in the picture. Try not to
Play.
get in the picture.
The one.
Don't run with a knife,
carry
Lance.
M&M's. You can carry M&M's.
Yes, I didn't get any.
You can.
Yeah, I know. I see.
This is a train set, Patrick. A train
He wants
set.
to open it. Oh, I can open it.
Careful, Lance. Right here. Allie, don't.
Yeah, turn around now.
It's right here. Just right here is all.
Dick.
Okay. Here we go. Put the knife up. Put the knife up.
Let's fix it. He'll want to play.
Use it.
Wow.
He probably thinks.
Is this a train?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Let's make it. Go here.
Careful, careful!
Careful, we don't want to break any parts.
Baby.